Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to go over dictionaries and sets. These are the last two of the four array types: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. So let's say we have our dictionary. Let's say we have one that looks like this. And let's format this a little differently. So like that. So now we have everything paired up. So we have our key and our value. So when we call vehicle, it's going to display plain. When we call a model, we'll call a Learjet. When we call year, it'll display 2009. So if you want to print the entire dictionary that we have here, it's going to print it just how it looks with the key and the value. All right, so if you want to add to it, you can simply do this, where you put in a key and equal a value, and it will update it to look like this, a color right here. Now if we do this twice, where we just do that and print it, and we want to just change it, we'll have the original one, and then it's going to print out a new updated color. Now another way to do this is if we just use update, dot update for our dictionary. So just like that, we have gray, navy, white. They all do the same thing. Now, if we want to print out specific things, like our vehicle, we're able to print out plain just by calling vehicle right here. We can also print out the length of our dictionary, which is 4, because we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 elements in our dictionary. And just in case you didn't believe me, it is a type dictionary. Okay, so dictionaries cannot have duplicates, so that's why every time we called gray, navy, and white, it's just going to keep changing it. So you cannot have duplicate values or keys. Okay, so now if we're learning about sets, sets is different because they're unordered, they're unchangeable, and you cannot have duplicates. Well, that's the same as dictionaries. So let's say we have a set and it looks just like a list. We can print our set. Now, you can't have true and 1 and false and 0 because they mean pretty much the same thing. So if we printed out true 1, 2, 3, 4 in our set, true will override the number 1. So if we have false and 0, and we print this, it's just going to put false because these values override, and that would be considered a duplicate. Now, because sets can't be ordered, they can't be changeable, and they can't have duplicates, this is pretty much all there is to a set, and that's our 4th array type that we've gone over. So yeah, it's as basic as that for sets. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something.